What's happening, guys? What's happening? Welcome, guys. Welcome to another episode of Straight TV, baby. Guys, if you're new here, I go live every single day. Every single day, right? For an hour, sometimes a couple hours. If you want to stay up to date to what's happening in the market, we are a small group of people who are going to kill it. You can join the army. You can join the army. The Bitcoin dump was predicted in October. On October the 15th, I predicted the Bitcoin dump, and everyone was super bullish, and I was the party pooper. Again, I like to beat my drum when I am correct, right? Because there are people who troll you and do stuff, so I just want to make sure I remind the trollers that this was predicted. So if you go back on in hold on one second, 2021 October video, you'll see. Hold on, let me lower the volume of this YouTube video, and I'll tell you what I'm talking about. Right. So here's the video. This was released on October 15th. When Bitcoin was around 61,492, 61,500, right? So, well, here, look.
How far the dump can go.
So this was the video.
What's happening, man? Priyank, what's happening? What's happening?
Let's
this resistance here. This one here. The next one is this one.
So this is when I was talking about the Bitcoin dump, and I said the alt season will not be in November; it will be in December.
We'll see how the support holds. For $51,000. We can come as low as, if we hit here, that will be hitting the channel. Are you able to see this properly? So if we come down, it's $48,000. That'll be hitting the channel right back, at the channel. So what will happen to the alts?
We are right now here, somewhere around 52,000. This is the resistance that I think will hold.
So,
we might go a little lower.
It could be the scenario that I was afraid of. The huge dump before the pump.
So
if and when Bitcoin dumps, alts are going to get destroyed. Bitcoin dominance. Let's see Bitcoin dominance. See this. Bitcoin dominance can drop. Let's see altcoin dominance. Right?
I said that Bitcoin dominance is going to drop to 46, 47.
Bitcoin dominance drop. Come back to this R. Bitcoin dominance can go to.
And here, look, where is the Bitcoin dominance drop to? Where's the dominance chart? Yeah, altcoin. Not this one. Well, I'll put another chart. Hold on. BTC dominance, right? Let's do trading view. How is everyone, by the way? Man, if you're new here, let me know. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. We were here when I said that we would come down to, 47, 48, maybe pushing at 55. So we did that, and right now we are sitting right on the arc, right? So looking back at the video here, look where we are right now. This is where I predicted it'll go down here. The Bitcoin dominance and the alt will suffer.
55%, 56%. Come here. So all gets destroyed, and then we rally. From here onwards, we come to 46%.
1st of December, see? It says 1st of December.
A huge rally in the year where Bitcoin dominance goes 20%, altcoin dominance 80%. And Simon, good morning, brother. Good morning.
So, yeah, I mentioned that. Go through this video, man. It'll calm your nerves down. You'll know exactly what's happening. So, in this video, I'm going to say what time Bitcoin will reach a certain target, right? And we'll look at it, all right? Step by step. Tilak Patel, what's happening, brother? What's happening? Bro, this BTC chart, spot on. I have been following this since then, and BTC came down and hit the channel at 54. Yeah, man. No problem, brother. So, yeah, let's look at the BTC right now, where we are. As I mentioned in the video, we are in this channel, right? Look.
How are you? So, yeah, it's because everyone's expecting.
This was the channel, right? So we are at the bottom of the channel right now. If you can see, this is the channel, right? Let's look at the weekly. It gets better. Monthly, even monthly. So see, this is the channel I was talking about, the bottom and the top. So you don't get a better picture in a daily, but with this you get a better view of what I'm talking about. So this is the channel that we formed, right? And we're very close to the bottom of the channel. I think it'll hit the channel, right? So we may come down as low as 51. So this is the resistance that we are looking at. The bottom of the channel is right here, right? So as I mentioned in the video, this was the first resistance. The second resistance is right here at exactly as I mentioned in the video, right? So we're coming very close to those numbers. Let's look at the daily, right? So where are we going next? So we may drop a little bit more from here to 52, 51. Just as the wick might go even lower to 48. Probably to 48. And it'll happen right now. It'll be just for a momentarily. The wick might reach to 48, but we might stop at 52, 51, maybe $50,000. But where do we go from there? Okay, this video is about Bitcoin's pump prediction, not the dump. The dump is done, almost done. We are close to being done. Once we reach this channel, we will at some point reach this channel, I feel. So just have to wait for it, right? So where are we? So how far? Let's see. Where are we going next? That's what's more important to me and you guys. So let's squeeze this channel a little bit more, right there. So once we get out of the channel, this is where I would get very cautious, right? So I expect another dump in December, and end of December should be another dump. So end of December or first week of Jan, there should be another dump. So the moment we get out of this channel, right, this is the channel we are in. Don't worry about this because the price didn't even stay here. It's just a wick. If you look at it on a monthly, it's just a wick. So this is the channel we are in, right? Look, the price stop at the channel every time. So we are here, right? So let's see, where are we going next? So I believe okay, see, there's still room here for it to drop. So we will see that drop, we might come to this channel, maybe 52, 51, even $50,000 before we head up higher. So higher, I think we will come very close to $90,000. 90 to 95. The wicks can go anywhere from here, right? So the moment we get out of this channel, I'll get very cautious. I think we'll have one more dump when we come touch this channel. So it could be somewhere around $80,000. It could be second week of December. We could, let me show you how I expect this to go. Let's look at 4 hourly, get a better idea. Okay, so here. So it'll be very sluggish going upwards, but maybe 15th of December or 12th, between 12th to 15th of December, expect a dump. Bitcoin may dump during that time, but it won't be a massive dump. Again, it'll be a good size dump, and it'll be a nosedive, okay, from here, because this is the time we hit the channel. So somewhere around between 75, I would say 80, between 75 to $85,000. Expect a dump for Bitcoin, and once that dump is done, we'll keep on going. So it'll be very sluggish, going upwards, and then we hit there and a dump, right? And then we get it back again, come close to the channel, and reach for that 90 or maybe $95,000, possibly 98. Let's see, where exactly are we going to stop? Yeah, it looks like 95. I think end of December. So between 93 to $97,000. We might not hit 100,000, but we would come very close to 100,000, and then dip from there. And that dip will be a massive dip. It won't be a dip like this, gradual dip. I don't expect it like that. It'll be taking a nosedive like that, down to 63 or $62,000, maybe 61. It'll cross this channel, and I believe right now as well we will pass the channel. We'll break the channel, so scares everyone, right? I think right now we are going to break the channel, just to scare a lot of people, and it'll stay there for a little bit, and before we go up. So same thing is going to happen here. We will come down and break this channel and scare the hell out of people. And this is just a retest of this level, which we see here. This will be a retest of this level. That's it. Coming back to this level, and everyone will say the bull run is over. It's finito, but it won't be finito. The real bull run will start from here. When we go back and do a retest of this level, this is when all the alts and everything is going to go mental. Okay, don't look at the time frames. Okay, it might be first week of Jan, second week, first week of Jan, we might hit here. Okay, as I said, it'll be a nosedive, and we might hit this number 90,000 to 95,000 by Christmas or 27th or 28th, and then take a huge dump while first week of Jan, between first week to second week of Jan, and it'll be a biggest shakeout. As I said in a previous video, there will be a lot of shakeouts. Okay, they will not let you make the money. Okay, the journey will not be easy. It'll be a lot of ups and downs, up and down. But after this, it'll stabilize. I believe, because looking at the arc, if you look at the mother arc, if you look at the arc, this is where I think the arc will come into play, and we'll come very close to the arc. Again, guys, nothing on this channel is a financial advice. We are just, I'm just like you, but, I love charting. So gradually we'll start going up. Okay, we'll stick to this arc, and it'll get very boring. For Bitcoin, it's going to get really boring. And while Bitcoin is trying to recover, the alts are going to go crazy, 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 right? And, this is how we will go up. But why am I expecting this price to stop here? Because of this resistance right here. Right there. Right. So this is where we are, I think, going to stop. And yep. Between 95, again, the wicks can go to 98, 97, 99, maybe 100, but I don't think they'll let you get that $100,000 Bitcoin. But this is how I expect it to go. So expect a little more dump in Bitcoin before we start pumping again. Again, if you want to look at my previous video, it's on, I did that in October 15th. It's called Bitcoin Dump Soon.
This resistance here may come down here. Guys, content, please make sure to hit the like. That's what I'm expecting. So, guys, this is not a fight, but that's what I'm expecting. So, may come down here. Then the rally starts for altcoin. The ultimate.
See the dates here.
Alt season starts somewhere in December. Crazy, like March, April, May.
Okay. There's a lot of commotion. There's a lot of noise. I was new at the time, kind of new. With the video, sometimes the music is too loud. But anyways, let me hear your questions. What are you saying? Maddox, did I miss all the good sales? Mateo, what do you think of Request long term? Brother, I just made a video about Request. I don't know much about the project. I'll just look at the charts, okay? Whichever asset is, I don't look, fundamentals is important. If I am investing, am I invested in Request? No, I would trade it, but I don't know much about Request. Mateo, is Request good long-term hold? Honey Atlas, VIDT data link, yeah. Proud Algeria, RGT please. Guys, okay, so this particular video I just wanted to make for Bitcoin, so you guys understand what's going on in the market. So a lot of people are nervous. So as I said, we might go down a little more before we go up. So this is the arc that I'm looking at, and I'll be looking at daily. So it looks like we still have a little room to go down before we go up. All right, and by second week of December, I expect Bitcoin to hit between $75,000 to $80,000, and by end of December, I expect it to between $90,000 Bitcoin, $90,000 to $98,000 Bitcoin by end of December, right? Okay, so I'm going to make these short videos, guys, on and then later on in the night I will go live again. But I see a lot of people I hear. So what do you want me to do? Chart more cryptos right now, or come on later? Is this time good for you? Because I usually go live later in the night, around midnight. But a lot of American people complain that I go really late. I get a lot of DMs on my Twitter if I could go early, so that's why I came in early today. Riot calls. Okay. Do you think CHZ is still? Absolutely, brother. CHZ is gonna kill it. It is going to 7x to 8x very quickly, brother. Yeah. So, okay, go on with questions, brother. I'll answer those, and we'll, if you want me to chart right now, I can chart a few cryptos, or I'll come later. Whatever works. But guys, if you missed out, I went through my prediction. Please, this video is very, very important. And if you have not looked at this video, make sure to go through this video. It'll calm your nerves down. It's Bitcoin dump soon. It's a October 15th video, right? Go over it. I predicted everything what's happening right now. I made almost $200,000 because of this dump. Okay, and if you know it early, right? If you catch a trend early, you can do really well, man. Volatility is very good if you know what's going on, right? So I, took some money out at the top, right? And did some great trades during those times as well. That some coins were gonna go up regardless what Bitcoin does, because they are in their own cycle. And if you catch one of those coins, it can just up your game, man. So you take the money out from the asset which is gonna go down, and put your money into the asset which is gonna go up, and then you can buy the other asset for really low, because the other asset that pump right now will start dumping. So yeah, that's what I did. It does not work always. Okay, everything is a chance, right? And calculations and chance. So sometimes things work out, sometimes don't, right? But I'm not saying I'm perfect, but so far I have done well for myself. And I haven't worked anything in any job or business for past 2 years. I've been just doing this, and crypto has given me the ability to not work, just do this. So I chart during the day. I chart between 10 to 14 hours every day. Akash, Rotadia, what's happening? Yi, Proud Algeria, Tilak, David, Honey Atlas, Praful, Pei Mateo, Maddox. Okay, guys, I see only 3 likes here. Okay, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget. I know you don't forget. You don't intend to not hit the like. Sometimes you just forget. Make sure to do that. You deserve more likes. Thank you, Cody. Thank you for the great charts. Thank you, Cody. I appreciate it, man. All these good words, kind words, help me, man. To make these videos, because sometimes it gets really tiring, right? And you get exhausted, but you realize that you're not charging any money. You're giving all the information for free, and people don't even appreciate, right? And there are some trollers. There was one asshole came back on Ultramix video. He said that, I don't know what he said, something really funny, right? And I was like, hey, dude, Ultramix went to $900 on, I said that Ultramix will hit between $900 to $920 in my video, and it did hit. On Coinbase, it went to, if you look at the Coinbase, ALCX, I think, ALCX, Ultramix, if you look at 1 week, 1 month, I'm sorry, it shows here 877, but during that day it went to almost 900. It won't show here because it's doing that for Track as well. Track went to $6, right, on Coinbase. but it does not show that it went to $6. But this is what happens. Look, it shows only 387, but on Coinbase it went to $6.22. The day people who are awake, who know what's going on, who keep a track on the market, they know what's going on. And this idiot comes along and says, "Oh man, what are you talking about in the video?" Right? So yeah. But anyways, William Carter, thank you for your hard work. Sure, brother. I appreciate it. Can you do an update on Track? Tilak Patel. Okay, Track. Okay, let's do an update on Track. I should have the chart open somewhere here. Okay, right here. Okay, let's turn on the music. It might just go ahead and hit $1.35. Might come down here before going up. Might not. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I think it should. I personally think it should come down to $1.40, even $1.35 before moving up higher. But yeah, this is when I would buy. It's very close to my buy range. If it hits 140 and that's it, it's done after that. It'll start to go up. There might be some sort of consolidation, once, might hit 2-3 times here before, gradually going up. But let's see. I predicted where it's going, right? So we are going way higher than any one of you expect. Once this dump is done, we are going to between $13 to $20, okay? Between $13 to $20 for Track. Will be a great buy. Yeah, might just drop back down to $1.30. Yeah, it's still a good buy right now as well. Another 20%, maybe 10% drop. Yeah, 15% to 20%, 15. Yeah, might hit 120. Just usually, just crypto likes to scare people. So if it really wants to scare people, it might just go hit $1, $1.10, $1.15. Get out of this arc, get get everyone really worried, right? And go back doing this. So yeah. So yeah, first week, I think end of December, maybe first week of Jan, somewhere between, you know, I would say 12 to $18. Okay, that's the range for a track. That's still, huge pump, man. Huge pump. From here, if you see, if it's $13, it's 8x. In such a short period of time, 8x. 8x. And it'll happen. It'll happen. Track will have one of the fastest 8x. But, it might drop a little lower, and it'll consolidate here a little bit more. It'll tire you before, and then suddenly a nice pump, and then another one like that. Just like Khalid. Another one. uh, might even hit $20, man. Never know, okay? How the wicks go, you don't know. Might hit $20. Um, but I like to be conservative, so I'm saying between $13 to $18. But this might just, pass it and hit $20, $22 for a track. Yeah, it can go crazy. Right now, the RSI is just going lower, so you might just go a little bit, a little lower. Have strength to go up. But yeah, that's what I expect for a track. Tilak, is Polka Bridge a good project to invest in? I don't know, brother. I don't know. Market makers use news like this to drive down the price, and retail panic sells, so it becomes a domino effect. Then the whales eat your lunch. I'm a small fish, but I swim with the whales. Good, brother. Good. You have to. Everyone starts somewhere, right? Everyone starts somewhere. So just follow people. Not just me. Follow a lot of different people. Look at their, Twitters, because see whom I am following, right? See Roger Veer. Look at the notifications, okay? Look at my notification. Who liked one of my video? Roger Veer today. Today? Was it today or yesterday? Where did that thing go? You liked my video. YouTube. Roger Veer watches my YouTube channel. Do you understand who is Roger Veer? Roger Veer is a billionaire, and he watches my YouTube channel. So that's crazy. I don't know where that video went. Notification. This is from today. I just saw the notification today. He liked my video. Okay, here's the one, I think. No, not this one. Here, let me show you. 1 second. So if Roger Veer must have seen something, right? When he likes a video. Roger Veer is one of the founders of Bitcoin Cash, right? He helped for the fork. Where did the damn thing go? Hold on. I want to show you. I was so excited. I think it's one of the Bitcoin Cash chart. Damn it. There's so many videos. My heater is really hot. I feel like, ripping my t-shirt off. And I don't feel like going upstairs to okay, here. This is the video, right? And Roger Ver, look, even today, Roger Ver, there's some comment on my video. Somebody made a comment. Agree, sure. So here's Roger Ver. He liked my video, my Bitcoin Cash video, right? So that's not a small thing, right? So this guy have all the analysts in the world, right? They have money, even if they don't know how to do analysis, they have people who do it for them. But anyways, some nice scalping if you know what you are doing and want to regain your profits. Yeah, man. I I increased how much? I was counting today, almost 170 Bitcoin Cash, more Bitcoin Cash in this dump. Right. So it's awesome. Gloria, how are you, Gloria? What's up? Can you do ACTH? Congrats on Roger Ver. He's the biggest big guy in BCH. Yeah, man. So I was really excited. But let's look. Okay. You don't know who's watching, right? You don't know who's watching you. So there are a lot of silent people who watch you, but it's kind of him that he went ahead and liked my video. Uh, Someone nice scalping. Okay, which one you said, Gloria? ACTH. ACTH. What is ACTH? Nothing's coming up. What are you talking about? ACTH? ACH. Okay. Alchemy Pay. The only thing I don't like, this looks a very bullish setup, but this Alchemy Pay has not come down to retest this level. I don't like that. See this huge level here that it didn't come back down to retest. It just went up. But sometimes cryptos do that. People are waiting for a retest and it never comes back. What happens is cryptos on the exchanges have a long wick, like that, come down to these levels, and nobody's able to catch that wick, right? I'll show you what I'm talking about. Say, for example, there is a coin, not Anchor, Livepeer. Livepeer. See this? Livepeer. These are the wicks. So if you had, I don't know, I've never done that, but I want to do this on an exchange to see if I'm able to scalp that. You see what I'm talking about, right? This setup looks like, what is this coin? ACH, right? But this crypto as well didn't come down for a retest of this level. This is a huge level. It didn't come back for a retest of this level. It just went up. And, so this is the way it did a retest right now. It just went all the way down to these levels. So just because we are in a bull run, if this was a bear market, then we would come down, literally we would come down all the way down before going up. But just because this is bull market, we didn't come down. So let's look at this, okay? So we haven't got the breakout on ACH yet. You can call this a breakout, if you want, but when you look at the weekly, it's still in this triangle. When we get out of it, something might come up. So let's look at the daily again. So it's possible we might, dump a little bit before going up, right? But where are we going? Let's see. This looks like perfect sitting on the arc. This looks pretty. So we might not dump, okay? Let's see. Maybe we might, okay? To this level here. All right, and before that, okay. And after that, what price are we gonna go? Whatever the dump is, after that, once we are done with the dump, we are going almost 95 to 100%, about 16 cents, 17 cents. But it won't be that easy. First we have to, it'll drag. Looks like it's going to drag in this channel, right? Up and down before it gets a breakout. But then it'll be fast. But somewhere 25th or 27th December, end of December, we might be looking at between 30 cents to 35 cents. That's a 300%, between 250 to 300% move for ACH. Let's confirm that move. Yeah, I think, yeah, between the 30 to 35 cent ACH by December, end of December. Okay. AMP is parabolic. Thank you so much. Do you think Bitcoin Cash will 3x before Anchor? and thank you for doing ACH. Anchor, I just did Anchor video day before yesterday. Um, we'll have to see Anchor. Where's Anchor? It's so crazy. There are so many coins which are going to 6x, 8x. You want to be in the right coin. You know, by December, there are coins that I expect at least 5x. If you're not able to get to 5x by Christmas, that means you're doing something wrong. Your portfolio should 5x by Christmas. Again, guys, I can be totally wrong. You know, please do your own research. Okay, I'm not always right. I'm a human being. I can make mistakes, and I don't like to. You know, I'm just saying. You know, I am better than an average person because you know, average person does not know what the fuck they are doing at all, like zero. So, and you can see my predictions on track. You can see on request. You know, people start believing in you once you are proven right. See the prediction on Bitcoin. There are a lot of other predictions will come true, and you know, but you know, before having a belief system, that time is gone. The opportunity when that hits, and you say, "Ha, man, he was right." But what the fuck now? You know, that opportunity is gone. You know, Anchor can 8x, and you say, "Oh man, that Shrey guy was right." You know, hit $2. You know, what's the point? It's not the point me being right. It's the point of taking the advantage of all my hard work and research. A lot of people charge thousands and thousands of dollars. You know, you want to be in a private group, people charge $5,000, you know, just to do one-on-one session like that. $5,000. You know, there are big caps who charge, you know, even more. So you know, it's just when it's free, when information's free, people don't appreciate it. And you know, you should be glad that you are in this channel, right? Yeah, this thing's gonna move at some point. As soon as we break this resistance, Gloria, we are going to, I would say, a huge pump, at least 197, 200% pump, probably 49 to 50 cent pump is coming for Anchor, and it could be just few days. How many days did we waste here? So this is the second day, right? So just consolidation might consolidate a little bit more here. But as soon as we break this resistance, the next level up, between 45 to 50 cent, might go a little more up, but it'll make a new all-time high. Make a new all-time high. You know, when it breaks, it's going to be aggressive, and we'll go hit this channel. And then after that, some sort of correction. You know, it might come back to this channel. Okay, so we might do something like this. We have a very aggressive move up like that, and then you know, go up and down, and then might come down here. You know, might not. Okay, we'll have to see where it stops. where it stops. We have to see. Let's see if I see any other resistance. Yeah, might stop even here. Um, yeah, we'll have to see. But this is a huge level where I would think there's a possibility that this might come back down to this level. You know, I would have some cash. You know, I would deploy some cash here. You know, try to sell somewhere around here. Anywhere you sell, uh, anywhere you sell here. Again, it's a risk because it's gonna go really high. Okay, if you don't want to mess with this, do not mess with Anchor because you know you might miss out on a 8x. You know, for Anchor, right? So yeah, you know, it could be a scalping opportunity. Don't just get too greedy. You know, I don't get too greedy. Even if I know there's a possibility to come down here, majority of my buy orders are done right here, right? Everything right here, because when it comes back, it'll be coming back to this level here. Just for a retest, might just come and kiss this level. You see, this is the all-time high, right? It might just come and kiss back to this level and before moving higher. So there'll be expect a lot of volatility, you know, in all the cryptos, not just this. You know, next week or next few days, we might see all the cryptos going crazy, pulling at least 150%. A lot of cryptos will do 120, 150, but at least 100% move for all majority crypto is coming. It's going to be a massive, massive move. BTRST is waking up for very long sleep. Okay. Johnny Tech Boy, Savage PDM, yeah, not looking too healthy. How much is Anchor going to dump before it starts going up? Nah, man, I don't think it's going to dump anymore. Not much. I don't think it's going to dump much. There's a possibility it might come and touch the arc one more time. Here. You know, if Bitcoin does something stupid, because, you know, this thing, Anchor, is ready for a pump. It doesn't matter. It will not care about Bitcoin, I think. It will not give a fuck about what Bitcoin does. And it might just pump. And we might be left out with the pump, you know, because this is the level. It might come back, right? Might. But it might just decide to consolidate. You don't want to miss what's coming for Anchor. Anchor, a huge pump, you know, 180, between 180 to 200% pump is coming from here. So we are expecting, okay, Bitcoin dumps, this is gonna dump here, and we cash out, and this thing don't dump, just consolidates here, right, and then pushes, you know, a huge candle upwards, then you're fucked. So yeah, man. Trading can be tricky, so you got to know what you're doing, right? So this is the level where it can come back, but do you want to take a chance? This is a 200% pump. It might and it might not, right? So if Bitcoin dumps, yeah, possible. This might come back down a little bit, but it already stayed there. It already did its dump. So yeah, this might dump a little more. You know, probably another 12%. But is it worth taking a chance? No. You know, this is like 200, you know, 150%, at least 150% moves coming for Anchor. That'll take it to 40 to 45 cents Anchor minimum. You know, we can break this channel and go above to 51, possibly 52 cents. But I like to be conservative. That's what I'm saying, you know. But a huge pump for Anchor is coming. Milky Dion, what is your prediction for Gala? Brother, you know, I have these short videos I make. That's the reason I make these short videos. Please go on, look at the channel. There is a video for Gala. Johnny Tech Boy, I appreciate all your hard work and time that you share with us on crypto. Sure, Johnny. I appreciate kind words. David Kong, BTC is already going down a bit more like what you just said. Milk, David, yeah, it'll happen. This is the last shakeout that it'll do. Where is it at? So the only thing I don't like about this charts coin trader is it's not live. I don't get live prices on TradingView. I get live prices, so this has a lag. What did I want to see? Bitcoin. What is this? What the fuck is this? BTC, USD, but what is it showing here? What is this? I don't know what this is. Everyone's removing the cycles. Can you see that? What the fuck is this? See, they took off all the cycles. Oh, the chart is inverted. What the fuck? Yeah. I was looking at the inverted chart. That's why. Happens to best of us. But yeah, man. This is weekly. Yeah, this has to come down. We'll come down to this level at least. Yeah, this level. That is $51,000. $52,000. Yeah, we are going down. We are going down, my people. Yeah, watch out for this channel. You're far from the channel. A little away from the channel, right? So we might have these wicks. You see this weekly wicks? So might have a wick to $48,000. You know, like just a nice shakeout moment. You know, where it just scares the hell out of people. You know, have a nice long wick to probably 50,000, maybe 49, 48, because the next level is right here. Right. So this is the level we are looking at. That's 51. We might just stop here, or just 48. Never sell for less, and you won't lose it. You are trading more than what you can lose. That's the problem. What the fuck world should I buy? Ellis, brother, Ellis. Let's look at Ellis. I heard a lot about it. I haven't, my neighbor Alice. Let me relax, man. I hate, this is not my usual position. I just put my feet up on my thing, on my desk. Okay. I want to see your comments. My neighbor Alice. This looks good, man. This looks good. So it didn't come back for a retest, but it's fine. A nice 320% move coming for Alice. Looks like, okay? Don't quote me on it. I like cryptos with a longer history. You know what I mean? Between 85 to yeah, let's be conservative, between 80 to $100 for Alice, my neighbor Alice. Yeah, almost 400% move. 350 to 400% move coming for Alice, my neighbor Alice. I would rather get track, because track will have a nice, at least 600% move for track from here. CRV is another coin which would have a big move. You want to make sure any crypto by December, you gotta give you 5x, at least 5x. Be in a crypto that would give you a 5x by Christmas, right? Have some, I have some in my safe crypto zone. Safe cryptos I consider Bitcoin Cash, XRP, XLM. All these are top 10 cryptos. Chainlink. All these are going to be there for another 10 years, 15 years. So I'm not worried when I have my money in it. It's okay, I don't need that 5x pump. If they pump 3x, I'm happy with it because my money is secure. But if I want to take high risk, then I don't even go for 5x. High risk, high reward. And I don't think Track is high risk. Track is an awesome project, amazing project. Anchor is an amazing project, Chiliz is awesome. So all these coins are going to do a 5x, at least 5x by December, Jan. There's VIDT, which will do between 5 to 7x. Yeah, so again, very important to make sure which cryptos you are into. Guys, whatever decision you make, it's on you, okay? You're listening to some guy on the internet, okay, who you don't know, right? Go with your gut feeling, okay? Do what feels right. Listen to everyone, but make your own decision. I am not a financial advisor. Never sell, okay. RKS, good morning, brother. Love from India. Please chart recent Gala. Brother, how many times you'll make me chart Gala? I'm tired. The pump is done. Forget about it. Actually, I am wrong. There's a 250 to 300% pump left in Gala. Yeah, a 250 to 300% pump left in Gala. I talked about Gala at 10 cents, 11 cents. You know, you could have enjoyed the whole pump, man. Look at this. Should have watched the video at right time. I said it. There's an 800% move coming from Gala. It did 800, 700% right now. You know, I said minimum 800. It'll do. Watch the video. Watch the video. I said it. Okay. So I said minimum 700, 800% move coming for Gala, and it did. So, you know, from here, it might pump another 100%, and it'll be done. It'll start the consolidation, and then we'll go up. Pump 100% and some sort of big correction. The first week of December, you know, might do something like this. You know. And then pump up to $3 from there. That'll be a huge, huge pump, man. Because you made so much money then. I was very conservative when I said 800. It did 700% pump, you know, and stop. I mentioned 800, so it did about 695. The pump is not done yet, so you know, it might go to $1.22 before it stops, right? So still a little room left, so it will do the 800% pump that I predicted. Yeah, man. Roger Pearson, hello, Shrey from Aussie Brother. Do you think 3K will be the top for BCH this bull cycle? Are you kidding me, brother? No, never, never, ever. BCH is gonna rip, brother. Are you telling me all these years of hold time and BCH is gonna pump 3,000? No, man, it's gonna rip. BCH is gonna rip so hard, you know, but it'll waste a lot of time between 25 to 3,500. You know, waste a lot of time before it hits 5,000, 7,000, 10,000, and possibly $25,000. You know, so yeah, but yeah, 3,000 is not the top, man. 3,000 is gonna come. I think between 25 to 3,000 should come by December, Christmas, by Christmas. 2,500 to 3,000 should come by Christmas. We should have a good Christmas, but yeah, there is going to be a correction, you know, after that. So you know, we'll waste time over there because $3,000 is a big resistance for Bitcoin Cash because the price stayed there for a long time. But you know, I think we go up to 3,000, even 3,100, and then come down to 2,500, and just waste some time there for a long time before we go 4,000, 5,000, 7,000. Great to hear. That's okay. I'm a patient man. Thanks, mate. Again. Yeah, sure, brother. Anytime, anytime. Okay, what else? What else? I don't like this dark mode, man. My eyes hurt when I see this dark mode. My eyes are very sensitive to this dark screen. I don't know why. RKS, is there any chance TLM coin reach $4? I don't know, brother. But I want to give a chance to everybody. If I have charted your crypto, brother, give a chance to somebody else. KG, can we get BCH shirts for this group? Yeah, we should say BCH baby. B Cash baby. Yeah, man, that'll be awesome. There's not one episode where we have not mentioned Bitcoin Cash because somebody comes and talks about it. Guys, who is new here? How many of you are new here? Sporty, bro, watch Bitcoin condition now. Yeah, man, I already discussed Bitcoin. If you rewind the video, the whole video is about Bitcoin Cash. Very important. If you guys new here, make sure you watch the front initial start of this video. Very good information on it. I don't want to keep on repeating it, but very crucial information. And rewind it. The start of the video is the most important part of tonight's live. So yeah, man, make sure you watch that. At least first 15, 20 minutes is very important. Okay, what are you saying, Milky? Gloria is new. Ripster subbed on the 24th. Okay. Tunisiano, can you please check STX and TLM? Okay. Artec, I saw in some Telegram channels that BCH is the new GME. Capital Confidence. Welcome everyone that's new. Hit the like and share. Shrey sends very quality info. Okay, thank you, brother. Okay, Gloria, welcome. Ripster, welcome. Okay, let's look at STX. Guys, I have given you my gems, okay, that I believe are going to, at least 5x to 7x. That is track, VIDT. That is December, end of December, the first week of Jan, right? Then what else? I think Solve, SOLVE, Chili's. What else? SLP, Smooth Love Potion. Yeah. So, there are a lot of gems, man. You got to come on the live and see. We very often find 10x. But what was the coin? STX. Stacks. Is this the full cycle for Stacks? A nice 90% pump coming for Stacks right now. Any day we can pump 90% before some short correction. Yeah, we might pump to $3.46 before we stop. And after that, let's see where we are going. Okay. We're going to $6. $6
for stacks. That is a 230. You know, might go a little more than $6. Might go hit this channel, right, to $7. But do I think it'll happen right now? I think it'll stop here at 630. Yeah, stacks might stop at 630. Have some consolidation, and then hit by end of December. We might hit $8, 30. You know, Wix can go to $9 or $10 for stacks, but for now, I would say the first hit where it'll stop here will be $3.30. We'll stop. We'll do something like this. Have some sort of correction and then go up. Right. And then, you know, some sort of correction and do something like that by end of December, by Christmas, somewhere around $8. Okay. Confident Capital. Shrey, I have a gem for you that I can find proper chart. Okay, let me read it here. What are you saying? I have a gem for you that I can find the proper chart yet, but this will be massive. It's VVS Finance, listed and backed by CRO to their first auto market maker protocol, and MCAP only, market cap only 130 million. Okay. Dash will 5x2. Okay, yeah. I think Dash end of the bull run goes to 3.5k to 4k. Yeah, man, I have charted Dash. So I chart so many cryptos I forget, man. You know, so but GME equals GameStop. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's going to be crazy, man. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash will 8x. You know, 8x. It'll happen very fast. You know, when it happens, you just gotta believe in yourself and in Bitcoin Cash. So yeah. Can you chart CRO? Okay, let me chart this. Try to find this VVS Finance first, and then we'll chart CRO. VVS Finance. You got it here. There's not much info here, brother. You know, how can I chart this? There's nothing here. I would let it settle down first. This I don't like to get into new coins. You know, there are chances of getting wrecked, and at this time of the market, I don't want to be into something like this where I don't know what's going on, right? Because it could be another ICP where it dumps first before anything. So how much did it dump? 28% is not enough dump for me for a new crypto. So you know, it might not. Okay, I don't know, but I don't need to take chances right now with this crypto, brother. You know, you should be happy with a 5x right now, rather than risking your capital and that thing, the whole market's going up and your crypto is dumping. That'll be a very sad situation. So, okay, let's do CRO, crypto.com. Where's my music? Yesterday this guy told me that I just need to hit loop and it'll keep on playing. So Might go another 200%, brother. CRO. Might go to $2 to 220. Between 2 to 220, might go to 250 as well. Okay, CRO. Then it'll stop. Yeah, between 2 to yeah, the wicks can go to $3, but yeah, this will be where it'll stop, somewhere around here. Everything's leading towards Christmas, man. Everything's leading towards end of December. So yeah, take some profits here. You know, I'll be taking profits here, massive profits here. Any crypto, you know, majority of the market, I would say 20 between 20 to 30 December. Very important these days. Even second week of December, you know, we might get a dump, but you know, it'll correct. But it could be a good scalping opportunity. What's up with SLP, brother? Charlie Lockwood. SLP is just resting so that you get tired. You get tired, depressed, and get the hell out of SLP. You know, that's what SLP is in. Do not worry about it, man. I'm not even looking at it. A lot of people are scared. I'm not worried. It's just sitting on the resistance here, you know, on the support. Look. Yeah. Nothing wrong with it. It's scaring you. Right. Right now, this is the support. So we might, you know, print a nice candle a little lower so that people think, oh, this is done. SLP's gone. A lot of people, I would say a lot of people, 80, 90% people will sell here. They'll say, oh, this thing is going to 3 cents. They'll get big dildo up their ass and this thing is going to go up, you know, moon like a motherfucker. Okay? So, yeah, there are some ignorant, stupid people, you know, who say that this is going to go to 3 cents. Fucking idiots, you know. A lot of people are going to get jeopardized. You know, you are at the freaking bottom. I would go all in. I already have so much SLP. You know, I don't need to worry about what's happening. But, you know, I may put in some more money in SLP. This is freaking awesome price. Awesome. This is a no-brainer, man. This thing is going to hit, you know, 17 cents. You know, by the time, I think, yeah, first week, you know, it'll be very parabolic. Very, very parabolic when it goes up, you know. Yeah, it'll shoot up, between 17 to 20 cents. And it's not gonna stop there. We'll have some sort of correction after that, but yeah, it's not gonna stop there. What's there to be scared? Tell me, what's there to be scared? We're hitting right on the arc. But I can understand, man. People get scared. It's okay to be scared. How will I make money if people are not scared? People who are not watching this channel, you should be glad, guys, that you're watching this channel. You can take advantage of what's coming. Not many people, right? You're among the 0.00000000005%, 1% people, right, who know what's going on, right? There are many people who are ignorant. They don't know what's going on, right? And it would get scared and sell it. Also, new coin, Cryptomon, Charlie Lockwood, straight TV, baby. I'm not scared. Yeah, brother, just relax, chill. Nothing to be scared of. This is the last frontier where, all the nerves will be checked. They'll check how how big are your balls. Okay, this is a check for the size of your balls. All right. So just relax. What about Shiba? Rudra Patel, what about XRP, SLP? Lucky we get you here, bro. David, yeah, sure, brother. Also new coin, Cryptomon. What is Cryptomon? Can you do BSV? Okay, BSV. Yeah, let's do BSV. Oh my god, I love this, man. I love this. Is this the full cycle for BSV? This is one of the most bullish pattern, man. This thing's gonna kill everything. This is so bullish, brother. This is so bullish. We are in this consolidation. And fuck, man, nothing happened here, and this thing's gonna blow. This thing's gonna blow. This is the Bitcoin Cash fork, right? Look at the consolidation. The price didn't go up at all, like since the start. From the bottom of here. Am I looking at the right crypto? Yeah, BSV, right? Look at that. Just 175%. What a joke. Yeah, this will be massive. It'll go up. Huge. This will be huge. Off the bat, let's see. First, we are going here. 645. That is just 300% right there. Right. After we break this channel, let's see. Let's look at the weekly. we might hit the channel here one more time. $131, before going up, brother. So, this arc could be irrelevant if it prints a huge candle to $700. But this thing's gonna pump, man. It's gonna pump hard. Let's look at the monthly. At some point in this bull run, yeah, this might go to $2,000. At least $2,000. Let's be more conservative and let's just say $1,600, $1,700 right now. This is gonna 10x. Okay, it's just a matter of time, man. Yeah, but the first thing we will go hit this channel somewhere around $900, and do some sort of correction. Okay, and we'll go hit this channel again, but very bullish price prediction. You want to hear an insane number, then $3,000 for BSV. I don't know what the market cap is, but that'll be crazy, man. That'll be crazy. This is market cap is only 2 billion. So yeah, man, this thing can move. This thing can move. Roger Pearson, what do you think? BTC will top out this bull run. I'm new to the channel. What would you say your top 3 coins to have before December? Before December, Track, VIDT, SLP. Again, these are the risky ones. High risk, high reward. Okay, and there are so many, man. There are so many, but I'm just letting you know what I'm invested in. I am deep into SLP. I'm into VIDT, Track, TRAC, Track. Then I like Anchor. I like Anchor's gonna pump. It's the same amount. There's no difference. If you're in either of the asset, all these assets are gonna pump the same amount. So rather than having different assets, I would just concentrate on one asset. So I'm focusing on that chart, and it's easier to take the money out of the market when you're only few assets, right? Rather than have your asset dispersed in 10 or 20 assets. I would do 2 or 3 assets and focus on those charts day and night. Okay, what do I think BTC will top, brother? It's a difficult question that you have asked. Uh, we'll go. I'm gonna cash. I'm gonna take some money out right here when it hits somewhere around 95, between 90 to 95. I'll be very cautious here because I expect a dump right in December, first week of Jan. This is when I expect a dump. If it happens or if it does not happen, I do not care. I would have made so much money by now that I can get out of the market and retire, and my generations and generations would live happy ever after, right? By this time, right? So after that, everything is bonus. So this thing dumps or it goes up. I think it's going to dump, and it's going to dump hard. This will be one of the hardest dump that will happen. It'll be a scalping opportunity, after that. And do I think this might be the end of the bull run, right? And like a lot of people are saying that the bull run will end in December. So I don't want to take a chance. See the dip and let it recover. Let it recover. I'll be in the alts. I'm looking at my alts and my alt cycle. I don't care about Bitcoin. Okay? I don't have any Bitcoin. So I do not worry about Bitcoin. I keep a track of it so that I know when to take profits for my alts, right? So I will see where my alts are, right? And I'm going to take a significant amount out and, so that I can buy back, for this dump. Do I think the bull run's over? No. This is going to drag until, March, April, May. But it's always good to secure your profits. If somebody has, $100,000, it becomes $500,000. It's smart to take profit. I would take huge amount of profits here, right? And, just whatever happens after that, I would think that the bull run's over here. I'll be taking profits just like that as if a bull run's over, right here. So, if it's not over, it goes, corrects, and you are able to buy, and I'll secure that money aside. So my future is set. After that, everything else from here onwards is a bonus, right? You just let it ride, and I think it's gonna ride. It's gonna go to somewhere around $200,000, $220,000. This is the level I'm looking at. It shows 200. The wicks can go when, it'll break this resistance. So maybe 220, 300,000. I'm sorry, 220, 250 possible, right? So I'm looking at 200, between 180 to 200. Yeah. It doesn't matter, man. You don't have to sell at the top, right? You look at where your particular alt is, and if you know the cycle of that particular altcoin, focus on that. So this is what I expect, how it's going to happen. And yeah. How do you think about Chia, Rashid? Okay, man, I've been live for more than an hour right now. I'll take off, guys, because I need to make these short videos, okay? I'll see you tomorrow, guys. You have a good night, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, all right? I'll see you later, brothers. Bye.